Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi there. Welcome to Sweet Tea Daily. I'm Nicole, and it's really great to have you here today. I hope you are having a wonderful day and soaking up some sunshine wherever you are. I'm going to be doing some filler projects this month, and I look forward to sharing those with you as well. Today's filler project is all about play. Toys provide more than fun. They're vital tools in a child's development. Through play, children unlock creativity and develop problem-solving skills. A plush toy can offer comfort. Our shoebox gifts transcend the humanitarian aid. They provide opportunities to share the gospel. They're tangible reminders that we can embrace the free gift of the Holy Spirit through the gospel of Jesus Christ. I'm excited to share what I've been working on. Recently, I found some great items on sale and combined them with some things that I already had in my stash to make some fun toy filler gifts for kids ages 2 to 4 and 5 to 9 for both boys and girls. So let me tell you about my first filler project. It has a fun stars and red, white, and blue theme. I found some adorable cars on Amazon at 50% off. They are the Melissa and Doug cars. They are so cute and such good quality. And if you look, it has a girl on this side and then a boy on this side. And I have a red version and a blue version. And these cars were on sale on Amazon at 50% off. The original price for a set of 2 was $14.99, but I bought them for $7.43. They only allowed me to purchase 3 sets, so I would have bought more, but I paid using Prime points, so 6 of these cars, and I made 12 filler packs in all, but 6 cars were free, and I picked up the other 6 cars on sale from Target for about $2 each. Considering the quality, I thought that was a really great deal. The next item I would like to show you is this beach ball that I bought from Oriental Trading. They were 91 cents a piece, and they're 11 inches. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Oh, and these filler gifts are for boys and girls ages 2 to 4. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. On Oriental Trading, I also found these kazoos for 54 cents. And on the package it says, not intended for children under 3 due to a choking hazard, and I think that this is what they're referring to. I tried to take this off to see how hard it would be, and these things are not coming off. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to be putting these in these organza bags, along with a red cross necklace, and I'm going to be tying these up very tightly. I'm going to double knot it. So that way, if a 2-year-old were to get a hold of this bag, they would not be able to get into it. This way, the caregivers, whoever is watching over the child, can decide when to give it to them. Another item I found were these plush dogs on sale at Oriental Trading. They are very soft, and I love the bright colors. Each plush dog was $1.83, and each filler pack added up to only $5.28. These were really fun filler packs to make. and very affordable as well. These are the next filler gifts that I made. I had a lot of fun making these filler, and I'll show you what's inside. So I found these super cute games at Target for just $1 each. They are little pinballs. So fun. My daughter and I stood at the dollar spot at Target playing with these, and I thought, I need to get these for some filler. This would be really fun. So there's one item. Next item are these little IKEA bears. I bought these a while back for $1.99. They are really soft and really sweet for a child. I just love these bears. I buy them all the time, and they really can squish up to fit inside the corner of a shoebox. I really like those bears. To add just a little bit more fun, I have this whistle and these 2 cross necklaces that I will be putting in here. And this filler is designed for ages 5 to 9. I almost forgot to show you that I put the 2 cross necklaces and the whistle in this organza bag. And then what I do is I tie them around the bear, or not tie, put these loops around the bear. That way it stays in one spot, stays attached. So anyway, if you were making this for your own filler packs, I just thought I would show that little trick with you. Today I was able to create 24 filler packs for the processing center, and it was such a joy. I really enjoyed doing this project. I hope these filler gifts will bring some colorful cheer to shoeboxes that need a little extra filler. Well, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles